Hi, this is Kishore, and I'm sharing details about the room we stayed in on day one here in Ho Chi Minh City. First, this is the outside view of the hotel, Liberty Hotel Saigon Parkview, located in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. It is situated just behind Bui Vien Walking Street and a walkable distance. Now, this is our hotel room. You can see the entry area, a small refrigerator, a TV, and a dressing table with a chair, and two separate beds. On the right side entry, there is a bathroom which also has a bathtub. Next, here is the morning breakfast at the hotel. They serve milk and cornflakes, some types of sweets and fruits. They also have aloo wedges, french fries, and some salads. You can find cold and plain water, juice, coffee, and tea. There is also a live counter with Vietnam food along with bread, jam, and a toaster. And some of the other continental food items are also present, which are non veg and veg also.